Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a pretty requested video. I've been requested to do this for years now. So I'm going to be showing you a BISSU haul and try on for those of you who live in the US or Europe, Canada, wherever outside of Mexico. BISSU is a very affordable brand. Think of it as the Mexican NYX. So affordable. Very surprised by the array of products that they had. Lots of different colors, nail polishes, there were cosmetic glitters. There was a little bit of everything, so there was definitely more artistry products, and then there were just like the basic everyday type of makeup. So I did pick up a few things. Everything was around 43 pesos, 25. If I converted to dollars, it was very cheap. Like $2-3, maybe $4 some of the pieces. The most expensive thing that I got was a liquid eyeliner that was 65 pesos, which again is almost like $4 US. So very affordable. There is a store pretty close to the border in Plaza Rio if you guys are from Tijuana or San Diego. One of my subscribers from my Spanish channel told me that, and I was so happy. So I went there, picked up some stuff. I also have some things that are not from BISSU. So here's another Yuya product from Dax. Everything else in this little bag is from BISSU. I didn't get a full face worth of BISSU products just because I have so much stuff that's opened. So I didn't pick up mascara, no brow products, and no foundation or powder. I rarely wear foundation nowadays, so got concealer though. Complexion products, I got a concealer. So it's this guy. This is in the shade 2 Light Beige. So I was recommended to try out their blushes, so I did pick up one. This one's in the shade Chabacano, and it's a rosy blush. And I did pick up 2 of their quads. They had so many of these with different color variations. There were some like these ones that were more like monochromatic. Then there were ones that had like a neon pink and a bright blue. So there were more creative ones. Then there were more for like everyday, and then some other colorful ones. I got this green one, obviously. I love green. So this one is in, they don't have any shade names, so the quad itself is number 23, and then this one right here, which is more like burnt oranges and more like earthy tones, this one is number 7. I also was blown away by the eyeliners. I went a little well, I could have gone crazier, but I got 2 totally Barney colors, but I thought they were super cool. So I got shade number 20, which is this kind of lavender color. And then I also picked up this one, which is more of a lime green. This one's shade number 23. So I got these 2. They claim to be waterproof. They look pretty similar to like the ColourPop eyeliners or the Urban Decay ones. I also picked up one of their liquid eyeliners. So this is their liquid eyeliner pen, Blumín Delineador. It's supposed to be waterproof, and the shade is Azul Turquesa. So it's a turquoise. I think it's more blue than turquoise, but it looks like this. And for lip colors, I did see quite a bit. So they had liquid lipsticks, they had lip glosses, lip liners, more conventional lipsticks, but I settled on this just because I know I'm going to use this a lot. So this is one of their like their magic lipsticks. So it's just like a peach lipstick. I just love them. They give me a little soft tint, and most of the time they feel very moisturizing. You guys know how much I love nail polishes, so they had a big wall of nail polishes, different finishes, different colors. They had little tiny nail polishes, big bottles. So I only got 2. I could have gotten more, but I settled on these 2 shades because they're quite unique colors. So this one's in the shade Colibri, which is Spanish for hummingbird, and it's this really weird, well, weird because you don't really find this type of green in many drugstore brands, but it's just a very cool green, and they had other ones. So maybe I'll go back and buy more greens. Greens are definitely one of my favorite nail polish colors. So yeah, I got this one, and then I also grabbed an orange, and this one's in the shade Melon. Melon. So another kind of very unique shade. I haven't seen this shade of orange, and I'm looking up on my nail polishes. Nope, this is totally different. So it's a much more, I feel like it looks more like a butternut squash than a melon, but I love it. And the last two products are not from Bissú, they're actually from Dax. I went back and got a nail polish from Yuya. I mainly picked it up because of the packaging. Like, look at this. So cute! And the color is this really nice lilac shade, which I don't have anything this exact color, but the packaging is really, really pretty. And I also picked up a lip gloss, and this one's in the shade Buena Vibra, Good Vibes. So the only concealer formula that I managed to find was this guy, which is just a stick concealer. I think this will be fine, but I just hope it's creamy enough. We shall see. Okay, so yeah, this is a very creamy formula. It's like melting right on my skin, which is a good thing. So now I'm gonna use the same brush that I have been using in a lot of my videos. This brush is from Eco Tools. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. And I'm going to apply concealer just everywhere else that I needed. Okay, I think the concealer actually looks pretty good. Blended out really nicely. I thought it was going to be a much drier formula, so I'm pleasantly surprised. So I'm going to be using another Mexican product to set my face. This one was shown in my Mexican drugstore makeup video that I will link in the cards as well as in the information bar below in case you missed it. So let's jump on to blush. I'm going to be using the shade Chabacano, as I mentioned. I completely forgot to check if they had bronzers. I'm sure they did, I just didn't see them. Could have asked, so maybe I'll ask next time. But Chabacano looks like this. So it's a warmer pink, not super bright. It's applying well. A little bit more sheer than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be more pigmented, but I mean, it's blending out well. I'm sorry, I have to smell the makeup. Some of them just have a very strong talc smell. This is one that doesn't. It doesn't smell like anything at all. Is this close enough? Or is this close enough? I think this is close enough. Is this close enough? That's good. So now that I have you very close, I did just apply a little bit of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer as a primer. So now we're gonna go on to eyeshadow. So the most safe choice would be going in with this color palette right here, just because I do have an orange top on, orange hair, so this is in the same color family. But I really want to play with this, so let's go for the greens. The green that I really want to apply is this guy. So at the Bissú store, they had single eyeshadows, they had the quads, then they had 8-pan quads, same size, just the eyeshadows were, I mean, literally half the size, but you got 8 different eyeshadows. And then there were bigger palettes. So I don't know if they all have the same formula or if the singles have a higher formula, a better formula than these guys. So I will have to try them out. Okay, well, that's a nice pale green. It's not too dusty and it showed up so easily. Same brush, and I'm gonna pick up a little bit of this yellow one from the other quad. And I'm just gonna tap this on the center of my eyelid. Again, yellows tend to be difficult to work with if they're very chalky, but this is applying really well. Now going back to this palette, I'm going to grab a little bit of this guy right here. Oh my god, this is so orange. Holy crap, I was not expecting that. Okay, I'm gonna just replicate it over here, but I need to blend it out somehow, some way. So I'm just gonna start diffusing it upwards. Blends out really nicely though. So I was a little scared, but it's blending out really well. And if you ever find yourself in that sticky situation where you just need an extra hand blending out an eyeshadow, then something like this shade will help you out. So just make sure the eyeshadow that you want to use as an eraser is close to your skin tone, and you just put it on top and keep blending, and it's gonna just help diffuse the harsh lines. I'm gonna apply a little bit more of that green as the highlight. Then for the lower lash line, I'm gonna grab a little bit of this guy. This one is a little bit more difficult to work with, but it's layering up well. Does it look shimmery? I don't know. But I'm gonna go back to the yellow, and I'm just gonna help diffuse it a little bit more. I'm gonna grab a little bit of this color, and I'm just going to place it in this outer edge. It's gonna be really easy for me to choose what color I want to apply in the waterline because I grabbed one shade of green. So let's go in with the shade number 23. So that went on super well. It's like this beautiful kiwi green. I love it. For mascara, I'm using the By Apple mascara, which was also in my full face of Mexican products video. Then I add just a tiny bit more of the blush. I do feel like this look is missing bronzer, so I'm gonna apply just a little bit of the Fenty bronzer. And last but not least, I'm going to apply a little bit of this magic lipstick in, I don't even have a mirror here. Oops. In yellow, amarillo. That's very pink. Oh my god. This is good. It's just very pink. And it's kind of clashing with the color scheme that I have, so I'm gonna use the gloss by Yuya. So that magic lipstick is going to stain my lips. I feel like I need to go to the bathroom and remove it from my lips. I'll be right back. The lip gloss feels so nice. It's such a nice buttery formula. And that's it for this very tropical look using Mexican products by Bissú. I have to say, I am so happy with the products that I got to try out. The quads, I'm definitely going to be repurchasing some more just because I felt like the quality was really nice. And plus they're super tiny, so they're easy to store. I also really love the eyeliner. I mean, I don't know how long it will last. It says it has a waterproof formula, but based on just the color alone, like this shade, you don't see very often at all, especially in drugstore prices. So the fact that it applied so smoothly on my waterline, like I'm definitely gonna buy some more liners. Not that I need them, but I just love eyeliners and they're so easy to work with. I also really like the concealer. It applied really nicely, so I'm gonna be using it in other videos. The blush was okay. I like the color. The formula, I think I was just very spoiled by the other Mexican blush that I tried from the brand Renova, but it was a nice blush, especially for the price, and I did like that it didn't smell like talc. The nail polishes I still haven't tried, obviously, but I will be buying more just because the colors were so unique. So yeah, if it doesn't work all over my nails, it can work for nail art. So I'm gonna be going back. The magical lipstick was indeed very magical, very strong. I'm going to be using this very soon in another video. And I know this is not Bissú, but damn, this gloss formula is so nice. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you've tried the brand Bissú and you have recommendations, let me know in the comments below. If you're brand new to this channel, take the moment to subscribe to see brand new videos from me, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!